Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I use AI to enhance my UI UX design workflow. So we all know that there is a ton of things AI can do for you, and usually as a UI UX designer I do some of these things in different AI tools because some of these AI tools are usually limited to a specific feature. But in today's video I'm going to be showing you an AI tool that's a one-stop platform for every UI UX designer. So the name of this tool is Prome AI. PromeAI is an AI tool that lets you do a ton of things such as removing of background, image upscaling, image diffusion, text to video, image to video. We also have converting from sketch to images. We have AI supermodel, and we have a lot more you can do with the PromeAI. And since I've been using this tool, I have had no need to look for any other AI tool. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use these tools and how you can also use this tool to also improve your UI UX design workflow. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Please make sure you use the link to sign up, and I'm also going to be dropping a unique code that allows you to get free points. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. And also do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post my next video. So guys, here I have the PromeAI.pro opened up. If you click on AI tools, you're going to see that there are a number of features here in the PromeAI. You can see we have sketch to render. This is really amazing. You can sketch anything and the AI is going to render the actual image for you. Here you can see region rendering. This helps you change an object in a particular section of your image. So you can just highlight a section and then you can change the object in that section. And here we have AI image generator. With a single prompt, you can generate any type of image you want with a lot of options. We are going to go into all of this in a bit. So we have HD upscaler. If you have any low quality picture, you can bring it on here and then you can create a high resolution image from that. We have erase and replace. Definitely you can remove an object from your image or you can replace the object with something else. Here we have outpainting. If you have an image that is really small and you want to increase the area covering of that particular image, you want it to be filled up with similar context, you can use outpainting. Then we have image to video, that's self-explanatory. We have text to video, and you have a lot of things here like creative fusion, image variation, photo to sketch. We have background diffusion. So if you have a product image just like an e-commerce, you can use this to change the background of your product. We also have AI supermodels that allows us to generate different variations of our images in terms of the clothes you're wearing or whatever it is you're putting on. We also have text effects. You can create text effects based on different prompts, and there are a lot more tools that we can explore. So but in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how I use them and which tools I use the most. So before you get started, you're going to notice that there is a design challenge happening here every month. The PromeAI holds a design challenge and they give out prizes to first to like the 5th position, with the first taking home like $500. And you can see here that you can participate in the challenge, and you can click on that link to get started and participate. And also, if you sign up using the link below and you want to make use of my code, all you need to do is to come to this pricing section and scroll down and click on this redeem code. Once you click on that redeem code, you're going to be given an input fee to enter your code, and you can redeem the code, and just like that you're going to get free points, as you can see up here, that is going to allow you to generate a lot more images using AI. So let's get back to the main page, and we are going to start with our very first tool, which is going to be sketch rendering. I'm going to select the sketch rendering option, and I'm just going to wait for it to load up the environment for sketch rendering. So here in sketch rendering, you can see a lot of renders that people have created, but we are trying to achieve a new one. So on the left panel here, you can see the different options that we can use to generate our render. I'm going to go ahead and bring in an image, and you can upload an image from your computer, but I do have a sketch here that I'm going to be using for this sample. So I'm going to select this wristwatch, and we're just going to wait for it to load up the wristwatch. While it's loading up, you can go ahead to put in a prompt, but for this particular sample I won't be using any prompt. And you can come here to start putting the options that you want. So first I'm going to click on styles, and for the styles I actually want it to be like a photography. I want it to be an image of like a real wristwatch. So I'm going to select photography and I'm going to select realistic. There are so many options here that you can explore. If we go to, let's say, fashion, if we go to documentary, there's so many image style or concepts that you can explore, but I'm just going to keep it simple and leave it at realistic. I'm then going to come to scene, And you're going to see that we have different options. If you're working on a building, you're going to see here that you can select the architecture. If you want a vehicle, you can select the vehicle section, and you're going to see different options. I'm going to come back to customize, and I'm going to select this consumer experience because this is what I'm going for. I'm going to select this, and you can then see a ton of options that you can pick from. I'm going to select this luxury care option here, and you can go ahead to select more than one option, and it's going to try and blend everything together, but I'm just going to select one, which is this luxury care, and I'm going to go ahead to click on generate. You're just going to wait a few seconds for it to generate our image. As you can see, I've tried this before, and we have like 3 amazing options, but I'm going to go ahead to remove these options that are here so that we can see exactly what we have, which is the new options. So as you can see, these are really amazing, and all this was generated from the sketch. So if I go to the slider and I try to slide this like this, you're going to see how much improvement it has made to the sketch. So this is really good if you're trying to create like quick iterations between ideas, and your sketch don't have to be this perfect. You can have just a regular hand-drawn sketch, and you're going to still achieve the same result. So that's it for sketch to image. Let's look for another really amazing feature that you can do with the PromeAI. So I'm going to select this Outpainting option. I'm going to select this image section, and I'm going to pick from one of these images. So I'm going to pick this mic option here and just go ahead to generate an outpaint. So what it does is fills this background with the same concept of the image. So you can see here the amazing options that we get. It tries to fill up the empty space with the image exact concept, which is super cool. Let's go quickly to something else. I want to try out, by this time, I want to try out the image or the background diffusion option. So guys, here I have the background diffusion option, and I'm going to go ahead to select an image. And for the image, I'm going to be using a mockup, this laptop mockup option that I have here. So this allows you to also create different variations of your mockup if you're working on a single product or you're working on a portfolio mockup like I mentioned earlier. So it's just going to load up, and the first thing it's going to do is to remove the background from the image so that it can create different variations of it. We can then go ahead to start adding our options. I'm going to click on the styles here, and for the styles, I'm going to select small objects. And on this, I'm going to come to the indoor section, and on the indoor section, I think I want to have something like an office vibe. So I'm going to select this startup office. And for the ratio, I'm just going to leave the ratio just the way it is. And the reference image, I'm going to leave it empty because we've already brought in this image here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on generate, and you're going to see the amazing results that we are going to get from this AI tool. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at how beautiful this is looking. This is actually a lot more presentable than the initial option we have. So guys, next to this image diffusion, the next tool I want us to check is the AI super model. So I'm going to click on it to take us to the AI super model. So here we have the AI super model, and for the AI super model, I'm going to go ahead to select an image. I'm going to use an image of myself, and I'm going to go ahead and put in the prompt, but I'm going to wait a bit for the app to do like an image analysis. We can go ahead to start adding our options. So for the option, it's going to be a male. This male is going to be from West Africa, and I'm going to switch to the clothes section and add like a cloth. And for this, I'm going to pick, let's say, a denim jacket, for instance. And for the background, I'm going to make the background like a hotel lobby. And then I can go ahead to click on generate. You can see here it says click the section that you would like to keep. So of course, you need to keep some sections. So I'm going to keep my face because I want to retain my face, and I'm going to keep my hair because I don't want the AI to change my hairlines. So I'm going to go ahead and generate after selecting the section you want to keep. I'm going to go ahead and generate, and we're just going to wait a few seconds for AI to do its thing, and we're going to have an amazing result. So some of the results have started coming in, and as you can see, this is quite different from what we have, but this is a really amazing variation of what we had initially. So I'm going to switch to the next and see what it gave us. So this is actually nice, guys. This is something you should definitely try out, especially when you're trying to create a super model out of this. And if I go to the slider, you can see that we have this to this, this to this. This is super cool. So guys, this is it. These are the different ways in which I make use of high quality image and make use of AI to improve the quality of my work as a UI UX designer. Please don't forget to use the link in the description to sign up. Make sure you try it out. Make sure you use my code to get more points so that you can have varieties of images and features to try out, and you use this platform as much as you like. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you've been able to learn a thing or two. I hope you've been able to find this video very helpful and insightful, and I really hope you guys try it out and see how much you can achieve with the Prome AI. And also, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like the video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that I get notified whenever I post a new video. And bye for now. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.